How to turn on dark mode on Bluesky Social. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable dark mode on Bluesky application. But before beginning, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads as well. Now, let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Bluesky application and make sure to log into your account. And once you are logged in, you will land on your home page. And once you get to your home page, what you need to do is swipe right on your screen, or you can just tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. It will bring out a different menu section where you have different options like home, chat, notification, feeds, list, profile, and finally your settings. You just want to head over to your settings menu, and once you land on your settings page, here under your settings, you will find moderation, content and media, and then appearance. You just want to tap on appearance right here, and on the color mode, if it's set to light, you want to set it to dark like this. And if your system already has a dark mode, like I've turned on my dark mode here, then your app will also adapt to the dark mode. And if your system is light, your app will also be on the light mode. But if you want to make sure it's on dark, you just set it to dark. You also have different dark themes. If you want just a dim shade of dark, you can choose this one. Or if you want it completely dark, that's fine as well. You have a completely dark option as well. So that's how you easily enable dark mode on Bluesky Social. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.